To choose a bookcase buying guide. Every house needs at least one bookcase to display everything from books to framed photos. If you are in search of your home's first bookcase, or just need to add a new one to your current collection, you should study this guide. After all, there are so many options on the market that you will like to have trouble deciding on the best one for your house. Here's what you need to know before you set up to browse bookcases. How big do you need your bookcase to be? What type of bookcase do you want? Which style best suits your space? Featured products. So all of these products, from these their space, style, the materials, the big size, the design, the style. So you can know what bookcase you want.